Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your Snapchat account. To get started, firstly open the Snapchat on your device. Next is need to select your profile icon in the top left. So from here you need to select the setting icon in the top right again. So over here what you need to do is need to scroll down until you find this icon for to delete account. Simply select delete account. So over here, in order to do that, you'll be asked to enter your Snapchat password to verify your identity. You need to type down your password and select continue. And after that, you need to follow the on-screen instructions. Snapchat will confirm that account has been deactivated during the deactivation period, and you can reactivate your account at any time by simply signing it back again. And if you do not log in during the deactivation period, your Snapchat account will be deleted permanently. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.